Happy birthday, Tom, from your friend Harvey. Here I am golfing at Augusta National Golf Club on a beautiful November day, Monday the 24th. I know how much you love to golf, so I thought I'd make you a little jealous. You being stuck in Phoenix and me in Augusta playing golf on your birthday. Thanksgiving is just a few days away, so loosen your belt and get ready to join Thanksgiving dinner with your friends and family this coming Thursday. Also, make sure you share this video with all your Home Depot workers. I bet they have never received a Home Depot birthday greeting like this one. Tom, now I have a birthday present for you. A free AI talking greetings video of your choice. Maybe like this one, or maybe just a simple friendship talking video for someone special. Go here. HarveySilverFox.com. To request your free greeting video. May your birthday be filled with love, and may you be showered with Home Depot gifts. Your friend Harvey.